In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter Form 116 in TurboTax. We're going to walk through the foreign tax credit section step by step so you can get to the area where TurboTax asks for your Form 116 related information, including any carryovers. If your screen looks slightly different, that's normal, since TurboTax sometimes updates its layout, but the general flow should still be the same. Start by going to the federal section. From there, move your cursor over Deductions and Credits, and then click Deductions and Credits Summary. This takes you into the part of TurboTax where you can search for the credit you need instead of scrolling through every category manually, which saves a lot of time. In the search field, type Foreign. When the related results appear, click Estimates and Other Taxes Paid. Under that section, find Foreign Tax Credit and click Start. This opens the interview for entering foreign tax information. On the next screen, click Continue. Then select the option that says you paid foreign taxes on income earned while working in another country. After that, click Continue again, and then continue one more time to move through the introductory screens. When you arrive at the foreign taxes screen, click Continue. Next, TurboTax will ask whether you want the deduction or the credit. On that screen, choose Take a Credit. For many taxpayers, the credit is typically more beneficial than taking a deduction, and this is also the path that leads you into Form 1160's entry. After that, you'll see a screen about reporting foreign taxes paid. Click Continue. On the No Other Income or Expenses screen, choose Yes. Then, on the Foreign Taxes Paid screen, click Continue to keep moving forward. Next, you'll come to the Carryovers or Carryback screen. Here, select Yes. This is the important part if you have prior year foreign tax credit amounts that weren't fully used and need to be carried into the current return. TurboTax will then bring you to the Foreign Tax Credit Carryovers screen. On this page, enter the foreign taxes and the amount used based on your tax records. Be careful here and match the figures exactly as shown but on your prior year documentation, since carryover amounts need to be accurate to avoid issues later in the return. As a general tip, it's a good idea to have your previous tax return and any foreign tax statements in front of you before entering these amounts. That makes the process much smoother and helps prevent data entry mistakes. Once you've entered the required foreign taxes and amount used, you've completed this part of the Form 116 entry process in TurboTax.